Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you my two Fenestraria ropalophylla plants. They belong to the same species, except one is yellow and one is white. Same species, different variety, different color. They are extremely interesting plants. They are members, like these plants, Fenestraria ropalophylla, is a member from the Mesembryanthemaceae family, a family of succulent plants from South Africa. And these particular ones are extremely well adapted to extremely dry conditions. They are so weird. They are, what we see are leaves. What we see are leaves, and these leaves in nature are buried up to this point. Only the top of the leaf is sticking out of the substrate, which is very, very poor in organic components. It's almost exclusively sand, gravel, or those mineral particles. And at the tip of the leaf, there is a lens. And this lens directs the light into the center of the leaf where the photosynthesis takes place. Because if only the tip of the leaf sticks out, there is very small surface area to photosynthesize. So the lens at the tip of the leaf directs the light to the inside of the leaf where the green cells are, where the chlorophyll is, so that the plant can photosynthesize that way. It is so well adapted to its condition that any change in the conditions is really lethal to the plant. So that's why it's quite difficult to keep it. It grows very, very slowly. And this one, even though slowly, grows quite nicely. But this one, look, this entire part so somehow it has disappeared. And I don't know, either I watered it too much or too little during the summertime, but this plant is not as big as it used to be. I hope this part of it will grow nicely. I hope I didn't lose the plant completely, but it's not the best looking plant ever. I have another specimen of it, so that's a good thing. Okay, I keep this plant inside all year round. I don't take it outside for the summer just because it's so vulnerable. Look, there are no spikes. There is nothing that would protect this plant from birds or from squirrels. And the other thing is that if I took it outside, I would have to keep it under a certain roof because it can't be watered too much. It's very sensitive to overwatering, and it is raining quite a lot sometimes during the summertime. And even though the summers can be dry, these plants have to be kept dry during the summertime as well. So they stay at home all year round. They are on a windowsill in a room that is not heated. So in winter, the temperatures are fluctuating quite heavily, quite significantly, and this is why this plant is blooming now, because what triggers the blooming is a drop of temperature and the fluctuations of temperature. The night temperature is much lower than the temperature during the day. And it is the beginning of January, it's the middle of winter, and it gets quite cold on the windowsill, and this is why these plants decided to bloom right now. Fall was very mild, it was very warm up until almost Christmas. So this is why these plants are blooming so late. During winter time, I don't water them at all. And then I will water them in the spring when they start waking up, when I see new growth. I watered them recently, right before they were blooming, because the leaves wrinkled a lot, so I watered them. But that will be it until the end of winter, until the beginning of spring. Very interesting plants. I'm very fond of them. I hope you can see why I like them so much. I really like weird plants. And these ones with the lances at the tip of the leaf are certainly weirdos. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Have a great rest of the day.